Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Herculist Plus review 2021 video, we're going to look at 6 ways that you can earn income from Herculist, and it's completely free to join. And as a free member, you can earn commissions. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can join today, and I'm going to show you some proof of income. So that it actually works. I'm going to show you 6 ways to earn income today with Herculist, and currently they are giving away $5 for a sign-up bonus, which I think is great to put towards your traffic straight away. So if you enjoy Make Money Online videos, then please click subscribe and ring the bell icon for notifications, then you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So we're going to have a look inside the platform itself. And before we do that, I just want to show you that if you want some more information, I've done a playlist here on Herculist. I'll put that playlist pinned to the top comment under this video, so you can have a look at the playlist. And if you don't like playlists, some people don't like playlists, but if you don't like playlists, then just go onto my channel and just under this magnifying glass here, do a search for Herculist, and you can look at individual videos that I've done on the platform itself. Herculist is rising in popularity, and that's a great reason to join and start promoting. So I'm on the Alexa ranking here, and if you're not familiar with the Alexa ranking, excuse me, you can type in any website you want to see how popular it is on the internet. And currently, Herculist.com is ranked number 7,609 in global internet engagement, and that's in a world of millions and millions of websites. That is very, very high and proving very popular. And also the time on the site, the time is 7 minutes 23 seconds on the site, so people are spending time using the products and the services. So and you'll see here just in the last 90 days it's on an upward trend, and more people are joining. So if you're gonna, it's a great time to promote Herculist and earn yourself some commissions, and it includes buyers as well. So let's have a look inside the platform. And so the first way you can earn commissions is as a free member. You can go on to, when you log in, you go on to affiliate program. Don't get too overwhelmed when you first log in here. Quite a lot of information. It's quite noisy. But the first thing you would do is go to this video tutorial here. Click on there, and that will take you to a video. And that's a 30-minute video that talks you through every single step of what all the products and how you can use Herculist to your best advantage, and become a success using Herculist. So it's a great tutorial, and I recommend when you first join up that you just click on that and you watch it for half an hour. It's well worth your time. So I'm going to go into affiliate program, and you'll see an advert on the right here pop up, a power blurb. That is actually one of the income streams, so you can advertise on there. I'm going to show you today, but they've got some great affiliate tools within here. So first of all, let's just go down to the proof, and you'll see here that I've referred 18 people. 3 of those have upgraded to become gold members, and I've currently earned $119.75. So I started as a free member, and then I gradually worked my way up to becoming a gold lifetime member. So I'm currently earning 50% commissions. But I'll just show you the commission levels when you go into upgrade here. I'll just show you the commission levels that you get as a free member, and if you decide that you like Herculist and it's working for you, then you can upgrade for a low monthly fee. So as a free member, these are all the benefits you get. You can earn 25 commissions for promoting Herculist, and you can also use the ad mailer, which we'll come to in a second, and you get a $5 sign up bonus. So sign up for free. I promote Herculist in Leeds Leap. You'll see here that needs updating. So that says 90,000 prospects, now nearly 120,000. I promote it in Traffic Ad Bar, 119,000 email today. You've already seen that I promote it on my YouTube channel. So if you want some free methods, do some YouTube videos. Join the Traffic Ad Bar and Leeds Leap. I've done videos on these. Have a look at my videos on these to get free traffic, and that's where you can start to earn some commissions. So you've seen there that it actually works, and let's have a look at the other options. So Pro, with the ad mailer, I'm going to show you the ad mailer in a minute. The ad mailer as a Pro member, you can jump from mailing out to 1,000 members every day. As a Pro member, you can email every other day, but to 119,000 members, the whole of the database within Herculist. And you also earn more commissions. You get less time on the timers. And then the Pro, I recommend you start working your way up to the Pro. And that way, with the Pro, you can email every single day your offers to and earn income from your offers to 119,000 members, and then you also earn 50% commissions on the on Herculist itself when people buy traffic and upgrade. So that's promoting Herculist. You've got all the tools in there. I'm not going to go through and show you all the tools today. You can have a look for yourself. You can just sign up for a free account and come into the back of here and have a look at all these marketing tools. So let's have a look at income stream number 2. Income stream number 2 is selling traffic. So selling solo ads and selling traffic. Everybody needs traffic online, and what you can do is you can earn 50% commissions as a gold member. You'll earn your 25% commissions and 35 as Pro and Gold. But these really are great traffic. You can promote these as a free member. Everyone needs traffic, and they do some great offers. They're sending out to Herculist. They've got 3 lists here. They've got the Herculist, the Smart List, and List Volta members. So they've got different memberships, different lists. This one here is solo ads. People are buying solo ads every single day online. It's great because the packages here just start at $5.95. So they're very affordable for people to buy traffic packages. I sometimes buy some of these if I want to do a solo ad blast. And so the person who referred me will be getting paid commissions. So there's one thing that every person who's making money online needs, and that is traffic. So you can promote these traffic offers, and these go right up to, I think, up to about $100 packages. So they're great to promote. You get all your links here done for you. Just promote these links. So that's income stream number 2. Income stream number 3 is the ad mailer itself. So let me show you how the ad mailer works. We're going to go into ad mailer. This works in a safelists format, and it includes buyers. So again, we're not making any income claims. There's going to be an income disclaimer. There's going to be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm going to continue to add mailer, and as a free member, you can email 1,000 every day. And I'll just show you here. The ad mailer is very, very easy to use. So I can do this every single day to nearly 120,000 members. Can you submit now? Yes, you can submit previous ads. So it's just a regular, just like sending an email. If you can send an email, you can use the ad mailer. I'll just show you here how this actually stores your emails for you. So it's a good idea to send the same one a few times because people sometimes need to see advertising 6 or 7 times before they take action. All you would do is click resubmit ad, and it will pre-populate that into your ad mailer. Excuse me. pre-populates it there. You can just test your link. I've done videos on this anyway, so you can look at my other videos now to do this. And all you would do is just click submit ad, and that will send it out to 100, nearly 120,000 people. So the ad mailer is another way you can earn money. So by using that to promote your offers. Might be MLM, affiliate marketing, products or services. So let's have a look at number 4. And number 4 are these power blurbs here. These are adverts that come up on the right hand side. So when you use the, I'll go back into the home page. When you use Herculist as a traffic exchange and you start surfing the ads, then you're going to get credits. So you can use those credits to actually put adverts up on the right hand side. So they're called Hercu blurbs and power blurbs. You just create your own. Shows you in the video how to do it. Very, very easy to do. These get traffic. So I'll just show you some of the blurbs that people have made, just to give you some ideas. Power blurb on the right, Hercu blurb here. So you can use your credits. So I've currently got 6,000 credits there that I can use, or you can buy keys. So these are the adverts here that people are putting in. And look at the views that these are getting here. So this has got 2,000 views. This has got nearly 4,000 views. This has got 4,000 views. This has got 3,000 views. All right, so you're getting, it's traffic. It's all traffic. It's all where you can advertise your products and service opportunity, and you can earn an income. So what you do is you surf the traffic exchange for credits, or you can buy keys, and then you can use the blurbs to promote your offers and earn an income that way. Let's just show you the login ads. So you probably noticed that when I go, if I go back onto home here, an advert will pop up. So these are the prime ads. So people are paying for these, so you can earn income off these. You can put your prime ad in front of 120,000 members. So prime ads and login ads are another way of earning income with Herculist. When people log in, they will see an advert like this. You can either look at the person's advert, or you can just X out of it. And that's another way that you can earn, is by the prime ads. So there's a little tab there that tells you all about the prime ads. And the next way, the 6th way we're going to use is the zone. So let's have a look at the zone. So the zone is where you promote your offer. And this is going to be a 6th way of earning income. So again, someone's prime ad is here. Continue to the zone. The zone isn't credits. The zone is like for like. So what you do is you go into settings and stats. You put your own advert in there, and then what you do is you surf the zone as a traffic exchange, and it's like for like. So every time you look at someone's advert, you're going to be able to. They will give you one view to your website. So it's a like for like. It's a like for like surfing traffic exchange. You can just do this while you're watching the telly. You can have a look and you can learn at what the new traffic sources are. You can look at what people are promoting. I've got a 5-second timer because I'm a gold member. If you're a free or a pro member, you get a timer that just takes a little bit longer. But all you do is we'll have a look at settings and stats. You just set it up, and you put your offer into here. Put your URL into there, whatever you're promoting, and then when you start to use the zone, so you'll see here that I'm promoting a free autoresponder, and when I give the autoresponder away, it's absolutely superb. So just a range of free marketing tools that I give away, and then when people use these free marketing tools, when they upgrade, I can earn a recurring commission. So you can make money by giving away free stuff. So let's go back to the zone. So yeah, you can just put your you just use that to make sure your URL's working. Going to go back to the zone. So that's a number 6. That's a 6th income stream. It's by using the zone and promoting your offer in the zone, and you're going to get like for like views. So let's just have a quick summary. Free to join and earn. So click the link in the description below this video, and today you will get a $5 sign up bonus. I've just shown you today 6 ways you can earn with Herculist. I've also shown you proof of income. So if you've enjoyed the video, please click subscribe and like and comment. That will help me support me on my YouTube journey. I appreciate that. If you've got any questions on Herculist, then leave those in the comments below and I shall answer all your questions for you. I use this platform every single day as part of my marketing strategy. I feel it includes buyers. It's a great platform. It brands you as well. So I just hope you got some value from this review. So thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.